We're here at the DHS Career Expo, which is the premier hiring event for DHS.
These events are essential. It gives the Secret Service the ability to find talented and motivated individuals that may not have considered federal law enforcement before.
We're hoping to give applicants a peek behind the curtain to help them understand the Secret Service mission. But we're also hoping to convey to them the characteristics that we are looking for in these applicants to make sure that they align with the Secret Service core values.
Events like the DHS Career Expo allow for people to get a look into the Secret Service. We are here with our specialty teams. We're here with many of the individuals who actually do the job, where they get to talk to those individuals to learn firsthand what it takes to become part of our organization.
This event will impact us greatly because it will help spread the message of the individuals that we are looking for to join the Secret Service mission.